Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power down your iPhone in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now these methods will work on most of your iPhones on the latest version. So let's get started. The first method is going to be using the buttons on our iPhone. I'm going to locate the volume up and volume down button here. We're going to need one of these buttons along with this side button. We're going to need to press and hold for a few seconds. Again, either the volume up or volume down button in combination with this side button. So I'm going to hold the volume up and the side button for a few seconds, just like this, until this menu pops up, and then I can slide to power off or power down, which will turn off my iPhone. Now, if you want to use the buttons, you can go through the settings as well on your iPhone. There's a way to power down through the settings. Simply go into your setting of your iPhone. From there on, just go to General, scroll down, and as you can see here, there's an option to shut down, which is basically powering down your iPhone. Same thing, you'll slide this slider to turn it back off. Now another method is using Siri. If you have Siri turned on, we're going to activate Siri to power down for us. So I'm just going to activate Siri by pressing the side button, or you can say, "Hey Siri," if you have "Hey Siri" turned on, and say, "Hey Siri, power down."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And basically, Siri is asking if I want to confirm, and you just say yes, and Siri can help you also power down your iPhone. And again, you might be wondering how to turn it back on or power it back on after this. Simply just hold on to this side button and it will power back on the iPhone until you see the Apple logo, and then you let go and it will normally boot up. You can also plug it into a charger if that side button isn't working for some reason, and that will also power back on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.